Alrighty, what we got here is a Brinks, I believe it's a 50mm laminated padlock. It's a 4-pin lock. It has one spool pin, and we're going to be picking it today with my tulip tension wrench and my trusty HPC short hook. First, let's get the fall set. There we go. You can see there's the fall set. And let's just get that one spool pin. It's because of its location, it's kind of a pain in the ass to pick, but let's see if we can get this in a reasonable amount of time. There it is. Open. Alright, that's it. Comment, rate the video if you like, and I'll see you later. Peace.